Cleanliness and hygiene. One of the most obvious benefits of the daily salah is overall cleanliness. It keeps us in a constant state of purity. Before every salah, a Muslim must perform ablution, which is cleansing the mouth, nose, face, ears, neck, hands, arms, feet. Staying in a constant state of cleanliness leads to healthier skin and an overall health hygiene. It rids of germs, allergens, various forms of infections and diseases.